giving away the national awards for the best films and film artist, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu said, "It gives me great pleasure to be present at this function this evening and to give away the national awards for the best films and film artist. I am grateful to the Union Minister, Mr. Sinha, for the honor he has done me by inviting me to present awards to these artists whose talents I have always admired. We are happy that this function is being held here in the city of Madras, which is well-known center of arts and culture in general and of the film industry in particular. I am also glad to note that awards are being given by the Government of India on regional basis without discrimination. I may inform you that in our state we have instituted film awards which are also given purely on merits of artistic talents. Political consideration and personal influence do not influence the decisions. The Government of India grants Padma Awards every year for eminent artists. Some of the artists in Tamil Nadu have also received such awards. I am sure that they are granted purely on merits and not on political or other considerations. I am very happy to see in front of me artists from all over India who are going to receive the various national awards for outstanding performances in the field of cinema. In honoring these artists, I am sure we are honoring the finest traditions of Indian art. I have no doubt that these recipients will inspire other artists in the pursuit of pure art. You know that I myself have every close links with the world of cinema. My association with it is long and my interest in it deep and abiding. I have moved and worked with the artists of the film industry. I have known their talents and capacities, their problem and weaknesses, but I have never ceased to admire them for their ability to translate the agony of life into poems of infinite beauty and richness. We have come a long way from the simple world of silent films. Technology has made its great impact on the film industry. New and improved cameras with wide angle version, color film making and processing, improved sound recording have made possible true to the films. Film making has become a difficult art. March 10th, February 1973, the Commissioner of Excise Board of Revenue, Madras. Dear Sir, we, the Tamil Nadu Wine Dealers Association, express our sincere thanks for the temporary suspension of the produce to verify the second sales of liquors within the state. In this connection, we may be permitted to invite your kind attention to the government order wherein it is mentioned that this new procedure will be reviewed after a period of 6 months before making it permanent. We are of the opinion that the suspension of the above said procedure has helped the trade to a great extent, and we therefore request procedure has been very successful. The Commissioner of Excise to kindly issue orders making it on a permanent basis. Let us take this opportunity to bring to your kind notice that the present procedure of specifying the brand name, packing, etc. in the transport permit has caused considerable inconvenience to us. Yours sincerely,